Hello everyone, in this video tutorial I will tell you about how you can enable or use the Google Assistant in your device Samsung Galaxy M22. So in this device, if you want to enable the Google Assistant or if you want to use the Google Voice Assistant feature, you can do this by the method as I will show you in this video tutorial. Before starting it, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Now just to learn about the Google Assistant, follow the steps and watch complete video and you will know all about it. Let's watch the video.